Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're cooking barbecued pork. Check this beauty of a hog out. So for these ribs, I'm going to season them up real nice, and a tip is to cut the membrane on the back of the ribs for better cooking. Tip about seasoning ribs is to always use your fingers to rub the seasoning. When you put the ribs over the fire, make sure it's on low heat. We use the honey because it makes the barbecue pork ribs taste great. Woo! Drinking beer while you're barbecuing is essential.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's time for the clan to try my special pork ribs. Welcome back to my cooking show.
I know. He hopes that humans don't take his jokes too seriously.
I was just joking, and today I am cooking stew. Today we're gonna cook up a nice stew using these fellas and maybe a few mushrooms. I found a nice patch of these guys and some chanterelles over there too. A little tip for stewing is to let it simmer longer. It'll bring out the flavors. Okay, now it's time to serve up the stew. Hey everybody, welcome back to my cooking show. I was joking about eating humans, not doing that at the moment, but I am on a carnivore diet. Let's cook these beautiful venison steaks. When searing a steak on cast iron, you want to make sure you have a good hot pan. Basting the steak in butter with garlic and thyme increases the flavor.